When we think about how artists and arts can enliven neighborhoods, there are 4 ingredients that make this work. The first of all is the neighborhood needs to have a natural connector. This is someone who knows many people, has trusted relationships, is someone who can go in and out of each other's houses. Sometimes it's an adult, sometimes it's a group of children, and sometimes it might be an adventuresome pet that everyone has gotten a relationship with as they come and go in their homes. The second need is for a convener who knows how to build on these connections that already exists, and in so doing creates opportunities for the neighbors to develop more curiosity about themselves. As the curiosity is stimulated, people will want to spend more time getting to know each other, exploring each other, learning about who they are, and they'll do this more easily in a situation where the curiosity is connected through celebration. It may be the way in which a neighborhood chooses to observe a holiday, like Halloween or St. George's Day or a Saint's Day. It may be the way in which it has rituals of welcome. How is a new person or a new family welcomed into the neighborhood? And it may be in its rituals of how it also says goodbye. How do people who've been part of the neighborhood make their departure? But it's this combination of connections, the convening force of an individual, the natural curiosity amongst neighbors, and celebrations that enable a neighborhood to enliven itself over time.